Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel RideNexus. This is Mercedes E63's AMG. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that defines performance luxury, the Mercedes-Benz E63 S AMG. But this isn't just any E63 S. It's been taken to another level with a custom wide-body conversion. Close-ups of the flared wheel arches, the aggressive rear diffuser, the quad exhaust tips, and the E63 S badging. Script. First, let's talk about that presence. The stock E63 S is potent, but the wide-body kit transforms it into a true apex predator. Notice the dramatically flared fenders, they're not just cosmetic. They house significantly wider tires for maximum grip. The rear view, with its signature AMG quad exhaust and sculpted diffuser, looks truly menacing, especially with the subtle glow beneath the bumper. Quick cuts of the exterior, perhaps a hypothetical engine bay shot, if available, or B-roll of the car slowly moving, revving. Script. Underneath this aggressive exterior lies the heart of the beast, the legendary AMG 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 engine. In its standard form, this powerhouse delivers north of 600 horsepower, propelling this luxury sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blindingly fast time, often under 3.3 seconds. Coupled with AMG's sophisticated 4MATIC+ all-wheel drive system and the 9-speed MCT transmission, this wide-body isn't just a show car. It's built for serious, all-weather performance.